Welcome back to Theresa.'s Dead. My name is Theresa, and as you can tell, I'm very much alive. Not by much, but I am. I have an awful, garbage, filthy mouth, so viewer discretion advised. If you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here, no harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. Why hello my little waffles. Listen, y'all know me, you know that I love subscription boxes. What can I say? I love slamming shit on a table. I just do. It stems from my childhood mostly, but it's neither here or there at this point. And listen, if you're new here, I have opened my fair share of subscription boxes. Some have been great, some not so fucking much. But in any case, I always find joy when slamming stuff on the table and opening it up because listen, at the end of the day, I'm a Libra, I'm nosy, it's just my nature. That said, in today's video, we're gonna be opening up the Kinder Beauty box. And first and foremost, I wanna say thank you so much to Kinder Beauty Box for sending this my way, as well as sponsoring today's video. And if you like what you see here today, feel free to use my code DEAD40, as well as the link in the description box to get 40% off your first Kinder Beauty box. So thank you so much to Kinder Beauty for sponsoring, and listen y'all, support the sponsors that support your garbage queen right here. Thank you. So if you've never heard of Kinder Beauty Box, well, my little precious little tiny baby lambs, let me tell you a little bit about them. Kinder Beauty Box is a clean, vegan, and cruelty-free beauty subscription box. You can get up to $165 worth of hand-picked skincare, makeup, hair care products, and accessories. These products were selected by co-founder Danielle Monet and Ivana Lynch. Kinder Beauty Box retails for $26 a month. However, if you do purchase a 3 or 6 month subscription, new subscribers who sign up for those plans will receive a free bonus box valued at $85 with their first shipment.
Wow, savings!
And if that's not enough, subscribers will automatically become part of the Kinder Club and start earning rewards. And you're probably saying, well, where can I cash in on those rewards?
The marketplace, you silly goose!
The best news, their marketplace is open to everyone. You can get amazing deals on beauty products from the best brands in clean beauty. Plus, if you're a Kinder Beauty subscriber, you can use your reward points towards these purchases. And last but certainly not least, each month Kinder Beauty will donate a portion of profits to their premier charity partners, such as ASPCA, Farm Sanctuary, and so on and so forth. This is the Kinder Beauty box, so let's see what we got in this box. So these are the products that you get in the faves box, and here's a little pamphlet that you get. It tells you a little bit more information about each product, along with some fun little FAQs, and it tells you a little bit about this box. The Kinder Faves is a perfect introduction to what comes in your subscription. So that's really cool. I like that a subscription box kind of starts out with the best of the best of the best with honors. So it's really nice that when you initially join, everybody gets the same product. So that's pretty cool. And definitely something I've never seen before. So that's pretty awesome. Now with that said, you get 5 products, and let's talk a little bit about each product. So the first thing is from Dirty Lamb, and this is an Ultra Night Serum. Ooh. All right. This retails for $52. Dirty Lamb's high antioxidant blend of fatty acids will help your skin stay hydrated throughout the night. Your nose will also appreciate the calming notes of lavender, ylang ylang, and orange essential oils as you massage the serum into your beautiful skin. I love me a good night serum. I look for things that will always keep me hydrated and plump and beautiful, kind of like a hot dog. So I'm excited to try this one out. The next thing is from Eco Lips, and this retails for $8.99, and this is a lip and cheek tint in pink. We all love a beautiful, effortless, multitasking product, and Eco Lips lip and cheek tint in pink checks all the boxes. It's easily applied with your fingers or small makeup sponge and can be worn on your lips, cheeks, eyes, or anywhere you want a bit of color. No matter your skin tone, you will find that this will flatter your features and be your new favorite go-to shade of pink. That's cool. I'm interested in trying this actually. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Oh. Oh, that's a nice shade of pink. Oh, I like that. What's really beautiful about the product, it gives you a really nice sheen. It doesn't feel oily or sticky. So I am intrigued to try this out. We love a good eye patch on this channel. And this is from the brand 100% Pure. This is the Bright Eyes Mask. These retail for $7. Treat your eyes to some extra love with the 100% Pure's Hydrated Caffeine Eye Mask, made with a hydrogel composed of 95% aloe water and a 5% plant cellulose. This eye mask is made to adhere to your face until your skin drinks up all the moisture. Use this for a quick depuffing treatment or for a longer hydrating eye mask before a big event. That's cool. Cannot wait to play with those. We have this product from Earth Harbor, and this is Mermaid Milk. This retails for $42. Packed with spirulina, matcha, hyaluronic acid, and concentrated phytonutrients and antioxidants, this daytime moisturizer will hydrate, reduce redness, and rid you of dullness to give you that mermaid glow that you want all year long. That's really cool. I love a good moisturizer, and anything that reduces redness is a-okay in my book. And last but certainly not least, we have Glove on the go. Retail value for $12.99. Watch your most budge-proof makeup come off with just water. Say goodbye to harsh makeup removers and scrubbing your poor skin until every layer of your full coverage look comes off. With this glove, you can be kind to the planet, your skin, and your wallet, as this glove will last you for months. That is really cool. I cannot wait to put this on. I do have makeup on my face, so I think what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna use this right now. I wanna try this out. I need to see if this works, because if it does, this is a game changer, and I will no longer waste my time with any cleansers when I could just use this bad boy. So normally when I do subscription boxes, I just show you what it is and I walk away. We're gonna do something a little bit differently, and I'm actually gonna review the products that are in this box. Because again, what I find really cool about this, when you do sign up, you start with their favorites box, which again, kind of gives you a lay of the land, and it'll show you what kind of products you should expect with this subscription. Let's start with the first product, and it's from Dirty Lamb, which by the way is the best name for anything in the world, okay? Because I am a dirty lamb. All right, anyway. The Ultra Night Serum retails for $52. So I've been using this as a part of my nighttime routine, and so far, so good. When it comes to skincare, I usually take my time with products because sometimes I don't necessarily see results right away. Sometimes I do, and those are amazing, but sometimes I need a little time to see if it will work for me. I have super sensitive skin, and a lot of products usually break me out. So I'm incredibly selective when it comes to skincare. That said, I am ridiculous, okay? I have a mini fridge, yes, a little tiny mini fridge that I'm almost tempted to actually get like a college size fridge because I'm ridiculous. Plus I also want to store peanut M&Ms in there. And right now I can't. Like I can, like the fun size bags, but that's not enough. That's not enough, all right? I love yellow M&Ms too much to just settle for a fun size bag, but that's neither here or there at this point. I have an AM and PM routine, and for PM routines, I always look for stuff that really soak into the skin and absorb all the shame that I experience during the day. And not only has this washed my sins away, and boy howdy, there's a lot, but it makes my skin look really plump and hydrated. Kind of like a hot dog, kind of like a ballpark Frank. I plump when I cook, which would be the name of my album if my music career ever fucking takes off. You take about 2 to 3 drops, you warm it up in your hands, and you slowly and gently pat it into your skin. Any excess, I usually slap it onto the back of my hands because as dry as my face is, my hands are even drier. And I usually let the serum sit on for a few minutes or so before I start moving on to other shit in my long 20,000 step routine. This serum provides a lot of hydration without it feeling oily or sticky, which I love. It melts beautifully into the skin. I have to say, so far so good. I haven't broken out. I haven't had any sort of reaction with the other serums that I put on my face. This pairs really well with my current routine, and it provides me another extra layer of hydration that my skin so desperately needs. So this has been awesome, and honestly, I really want to see other stuff from this brand, so I'm definitely going to be checking out and probably picking up another serum or two. I know they have a daytime one, which I'm curious about, so love that. Now, the next product I want to talk about is from Earth Harbor, and this is the Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. Not gonna lie, when I first heard of Mermaid Milk, I thought of 2 things. One, the most amazing Animal Planet documentary that I've ever seen in my life. I desperately wanted it to be true. Yes, I want to live in a world of whimsy. Sue me, okay? It's been a rough year and a half. But in that same breath, when I heard Mermaid Milk, I just giggled like a 13-year-old boy. What can I say? Some things never change. So that said, this retails for $42, and it's described as a purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates and balances your skin, giving you, and I quote, that mermaid glow. And of course, when I think of mermaids, I cannot help but think of Amy from Floribama Shore. And if you know, you know. That said, I have a lot of redness in my skin. Like a lot of redness. And I cannot say that this product takes it away. It doesn't. But when I do have it on the skin, it definitely is very soothing. And it feels very calming, which I like. And I also love the fact that this moisturizer is not greasy, it's not sticky. It really melts beautifully into the skin. The thing that makes me sad is that this product has coconut in it, and it's something that I can't wear often. I noticed that I was getting like a small irritation when I was wearing it back to back, But if I wear it like once or twice a week, it's not so bad, but it's a product that I'm not going to be able to really utilize it to its full potential because of coconut. Dreaded coconut. So I would actually be curious to try other things from Earth Harbor if it doesn't have coconut in it. The next product I want to talk about is from the brand Glove, and this is the On The Go glove, and I'm really sorry that it looks disgusting, but that's my face. This guy retails for $12.99, and this is pretty cool. Honestly, I was so excited about this product because one, I love that it looks like a mitten or my little stuffed animal's paw, and I really I laugh, but it's true. And I really like being able to just use this to remove my makeup. I don't know if you've been in this boat, but like I used to use makeup remover wipes and then I started getting like really horrible irritations around my eyes. Then I switched to a makeup eraser, but I feel like there is a shelf life to makeup erasers because sometimes if you're not careful, they can actually scratch your skin. Every makeup eraser I've ever owned always hits a certain point where it just starts to get kind of sharp. It's weird. So I've been trying to find another product that is just incredibly soft and just feels good on my skin. This does an excellent job of removing your makeup. And I would say that, you know what, it doesn't get everything off, but it does get a good amount off. I do have some eyeliner and some mascara that tends to be a little bit stubborn. So for me, what I do, I take a little bit of cleanser, put this on the mitt, and then go around my eye, and it works like a charm. So what's nice about this is if you're ever in a situation where all you have is water, this is going to get the job done. But if you do have a little bit of cleanser, this is the perfect addition to getting the shit off your face. It's so good. I also love that you can wash and reuse these, and it still maintains its softness. So this has been awesome, and I can't wait to pick up 25 more of these. These are really fucking good. Now the next product I want to talk about, which I don't have because unfortunately it was like a one-use thing. It's from the brand 100% Pure, and it's the Bright Eyes Mask. One pair of these eye patches retail for $7, and they were fabulous. If you have dry under eyes like myself, you know it can be a nightmare to find good eye patches that bring a lot of hydration to ultimately, you know, bring your face back to life. What I like about this product is that it was composed with aloe water, cucumber, and natural caffeine. So I really felt like this particular area perked up, kind of giving me a plumping effect. Again, kind of like a hot dog, full circle here. And I noticed when I use eye patches before I put on makeup, it makes a huge difference. I feel like concealer just sets down better. The area doesn't look so hollow. It looks like I have my life together. And we love that for me. We love catfish in here. Anyway, these are awesome and I would totally repurchase in the future. Now the final product, this one's good. It doesn't look like much, but this one is fucking good. Listen, I love a good multitasking tool, y'all. And this is the Eco Lip and Cheek Tint. So this retails for $8.99 and this is adorable. Honestly, I had no expectations. I think when it comes to a multitasking item, I want to like it more. Like I love the idea of like this thing can be really versatile. I could use it for anything, but a good chunk of time it never works out for me and it's really, really annoying. So you can imagine how pleasantly surprised I am that this works like a charm. So on the cheeks, I applied the stick directly to the cheek and I blended it out with a sponge. I love when my cream products don't disturb the products underneath. And I'm happy to say that this adhered to the cheek beautifully and I blended out with ease. While I didn't notice any transferring of the product, I did set this down. So I used actually two different products to set down this cheek tint. The first one's from Flower Beauty and this is the Jet Set Invisible Powder Spray. This is perfect. You spray this on your face and within seconds everything is dry, everything looks good. The spray worked very well with the cheek tint. I also happened to use a loose setting powder. I was a little bit more careful when using the product. Sometimes if you put powder over cream products, if you didn't like let them just kind of set into the skin, it creates a huge mass and everything just moves around. But I noticed when I gently like pat the powder into the skin, everything looked beautiful. While setting the product down, I didn't lose any color, I didn't lose any sheen, everything just looked beautiful. And the longevity was great. This product also has a nice sheen to it, so it pairs very well with a highlighter to make you an extra glowy alien slut. We love that. As for lips, this is another great product. It gives you a little pop of color. I would say it's probably lighter than a lip stain, so kind of like a tinted chapstick in a way. It's the perfect amount of pinkness to the lips. The formula is super comfortable, it's hydrating. I didn't experience any like dried down crumbly bits, didn't settle into the outer corners. It felt really good on the lips. Even with a small amount of shimmer from the sheen of it, it didn't feel like you had any glitter particles on your lips. It was awesome. Really love that product, and I would be interested in checking out more colors from this brand. So those are the products that you get in the favorites box. Thank you again to Kinder Beauty for sponsoring today's video. And again, if you are interested interested in checking this out, where you can discover the best beauty every month, make sure to use the code DEAD40 and the link in the description box to save 40% off your first Kinder Beauty box. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you've ever tried this subscription box or if you ever tried any of the products that I talked about today. Let me know, because I'd love to hear from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really trashy, really filthy, really trashy and filthy garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what is currently on my face, along with where to get the Kinder Beauty box, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye!